Long and Hazelton defined public relations as a communication function of management through which organizations adapt to, alter, or maintain their environment for the purpose of achieving organizational goals. Gottlieb et al. Stated it is the management function that establishes and maintains mutually beneficial relationships between an organization and the publics on whom its success or failure depends. In this case, it's the stakeholder. Public relations through communication of mass media has been strategized to spread positive message such as promoting health behavior, political propaganda, marketing communication, and organizational branding, and many more. Assalamualaikum and a very good day. I am Jafni Joharijikan from Public Relations Program, Corporate Communication Center, MARDI. And I am here to present you a paper entitled PR Value, How Can an Organization Take its Beneficial Relationship to the Public? For this paper, our team consists of another three gentlemen, Hazrul Amri Muhammad Noor, Abdurrahman Abdul Razak, and Zarif Zulkifli. And we have only one flower, Puan Aimiathira Ahmad from Socioeconomy Market Intelligence and Agribusiness Research Center. To monitor the performance of their organizational public relations, MARDI has been measuring PR values since the past half decade. This value is being monitored yearly. On top of that, one of MARDI's 2019 Key Performance Index KPI, which is KPI 9, increased. MARDI visibility was targeted to get RM 34.8 million. The ABLA strategies executed by practitioners and impactful events resulted in the institution to collect PR value of RM 53.7 million, which is 154% higher than the targeted value. Selain daripada itu juga, sayur-sayur dihasilkan itu memang fresh. Selain daripada fresh, kita boleh petik makan begitu saja. What is the problem statement? Let me share you an example. Here with me is a mock media interview on Plant Factory. This technology has been popular in media for the past 2 to 3 years, although it has not been launched yet. But why does it popular? It seems like we do not have media strategy to convey our positive branding to our stakeholder. Moreover, through the 2019, 40 million is the PR value, but what does it mean? How can we utilize this data for both our and the public benefit? Therefore, it is necessary to study the effectiveness of media communication strategy followed in mass media so it could be beneficial to public or stakeholders. This research attempts to find the effectiveness of communication strategy in promoting positive branding to our stakeholders. Findings from this study can be used by the institutions to strategize and focus on which issues, products, or technologies to be highlighted. Hence, new strategies for effective and efficient mass media management can be implemented. I'm back again. So, the next question in our menu is, what is the novelty of this study? First, MARDI is the only government organization that keeps monitoring the performance of mass media communication through public relations value. Second, as far as we know, there is no previous research has investigated neither the performance of organizational PR value nor the analyzed results, which could aid their organization to develop its communication strategy. In short, this is a novel finding. The next point to be highlighted is what is the objective of our study here? Well, first is to explore and analyze MARDI's 2019 trends in media management. On the other hand, we are interested to strategize and focus on which issues, products, or technologies to be highlighted in the next MARDI's media management. Well, how do we do this? We are discussing about the methodology now. MARDI uses and monitors the PR value because of its importance in determining the corporate image and visibility of the institute. PR value is measured by advertising value equivalent, circulation, impressions, referral, and conversion tracking. Then, these articles are categorized to crop, livestock, center of excellence, transfer technology, agrobiodiversity, agrotourism, biotechnology, engineering, food technology, and others. Well, then we execute the PR value analysis and non-parametric trend test using sense loop. This is the formula for sense loop. B reflects the direction of trend data, while the value represents the magnitude of the data. Now, let us discuss about the result. We captured a high value of numbers of articles and PR value in April because MARDI launched a new star fruit hybrid, which is named as Bintang Mas. This variety is so popular that we presented it to most of our cabinet members, including the Prime Minister of Malaysia at that time. It also triggered a renowned documentary, Majalah 3, to cover the whole 20 minutes of this topic. Other than that, we also achieved another high value in October. MARDI had several events, including the launching of the first hybrid paddy in Malaysia, MR12H or Kadaria 1. Moreover, at the same month, we celebrated our golden year MARDI 50 years. Other than that, we also launched new livestock breed that is Kambing BK, a cross between Kajang and Bull. In terms of category, the rank of popular classification both by number of articles and PR value are by issues, crop, CSR, and technology transfer. For media type, online media platform has the biggest coverage of our news, that is 52%, followed by newspaper, that is 36%. For language, there is a slightly difference between English media and Malay media, which English media published 743 articles, different by 43. As media brand, Bernama is the highest platform which publish our news. This proves that MARDI's investment in subscribing Bernama annually is definitely worth for our money. The last graph is the non-parametric trend test using sense loop for monthly publication and monthly PR value in 2019. The number of articles published exhibit a significantly increase in trend with the magnitude of 57 times per month, with the significant p-value of 0.05. In a nutshell, findings from this study can be used by institutions to strategize and focus on which issues, products, or technologies to be highlighted. Hence, new strategies for effective and efficient mass media management can be implemented. It is advisable that MARDI focus on national agriculture issues which related to crop, transfer technology, and CSR, as these are the most popular category published by the media. This media communication strategy can be conceptualized as a functional strategy, providing focus and direction to the corporate communication function, acting as a framework for the communication plans developed to implement the strategy. It makes the corporate communication function relevant in the strategic management process by providing the link between key strategic issues that is beneficial to organization and our stakeholder.